Startup Bugs PH is co-produced by One CFO, Credit Hero, Y Spaces, Simp, Sekuna, Schooltech Bedfolio, Maroon Studios, and Red Circle Global. Check out our partners in the description.
Welcome sa isa na namang episode ng Startup Podcast PH, Kwentuhan at Philippine Startup Week 2025. It's day 3. Andito tayo ngayon pa rin sa Mount Canlaon Room of the Philippine Innovation Center dito sa Marikina City. At kakwentuhan natin parang 2, 3, 4 times na ata dito sa podcast, Burkett. And we have Jessica, Business Development Associate. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Kamusta?
Good afternoon.
Burkett na isa sa mga, very sila Sir Herbert,
Yeah.
no, ay isa sa mga very first na na-interview ko dito sa Startup Podcast. Parang episode 2030 sila eh. Medyo marami na yun, pero back in 2022. And simula nun, actually, fan ako ng Burkett, actually short for business markets.
Yeah,
no?
business market.
But I'll let you siguro introduce Jessica as a business development associate. Ano nga ba ang Burkett?
Okay, ayan. So, si Burkett, ayan. So, from the word itself, business market. So, in Burkett kasi, it is a B2B marketplace na nagko-connect ng mga businesses inside our platform. So, pinaka-target talaga dito is yung mga businesses inside the Philippines. So, local businesses. So, inside Burkett, we are helping the micro, small, medium enterprises para ma-digitize yung mga businesses nyo. Especially dun sa mga may traditional businesses pa. Ayan, so yun.
Tsaka, ang pinaka-interesting dito, no, naging sa development niya, naging para siyang social media somehow. Para siyang,
Yeah.
bawat
Blew up.
business may account. Can
Yeah.
you tell more about that? Yung parang, sa kanya, pag-design ng ganong klaseng platform.
Okay. So, si Burkett kasi, yung pag-register inside Burkett is completely free. Actually, para siyang si Blue App. Ayan.
Blue up, sorry. Ano ba yung blue up?
Facebook. Ayan,
sorry.
so para siya.
Parang mga ano yan eh. Nakikita ko yung mga yellow, red, whatever. Pero anyway, blue up is Facebook.
Blue App,
Okay,
yes,
sige.
Facebook po. So, para siyang si Blue App and as well as si LinkedIn.
Ay, blue sila pareho eh.
para mga two Blue Apps. Para siyang two Blue
Okay,
Apps.
okay.
Ayan.
Si Burkett ba? Anong kulay?
Blue din.
Blue din. Okay. Blue up din. Anyway.
Blue App din. Ayan. Pero para siyang si Facebook and LinkedIn para mas familiarize sa yung isang businesses na. Kasi para mas ma-focus sila dun sa paano sila makikipag-shade and makikipag-connect rather than parang i-review pa yung pinaka-facing ni Burkett. Pero ayun nga, inside Burkett kasi is meron tinatawag na digital storefront wherein may profile ka like si Facebook. In that case, para yung other businesses na interested with your business is i-stock ka na lang nila doon. Kasi nandun na, parang naka-summarize na yung buong data mo eh. Ayan, so yun talaga
May
yung...
follow din, may follow. Parang subscribe. Parang sa LinkedIn, di ba, pwede ka mag-follow. Or sa Facebook, pwede ka mag-follow. Meron din dito.
Wala
Ay,
po.
wala.
Oh, pero pwede kayong mag-message. So, merong messaging area
Ah,
lang doon.
May newsfeed ba? Parang newsfeed.
Yes,
So,
meron
sino
din.
mga lalabas na mga newsfeed? Kunwari ako, so parang yung flow lang nito, no? Let's say I have a business.
Yeah.
Let's say start a podcast. Pwede ko ba i-register ng start a podcast?
Yes po. Actually, ang kinagandahan talaga ni Burkett is hindi lang kami nakikater ng mga products, but we also do cater products and services. Ayan. So, parang all kinds of businesses talaga si Burkett.
Okay, sorry, hindi ko pa
Ayun.
na-try. I mean, malay mo na makakita ako ng mga yung customers or whatever. Anyway, so I register startup podcast as a business. Pwede ba yung newsfeed ko? Sino malalabas sa newsfeed ko?
Ayan. So, yung sa newsfeed kasi is yung, kasi dun sa Burkett nga, if you could check burkett.ph, ang lalabas talaga is yung home. And then dun sa home, pwede kang mag-post ng mga parang status, gano'n, ng products mo, and mag-post ng RFQs. So, yung mga bagong nag-post, yun yung lalabas sa newsfeed mo. Lahat. So, we have 15,000 businesses. So, kung nag-post ng 15,000 businesses na yun, lalabas sila lahat. dun sa
Bago. So, hindi ko pwede filter or like something like that. Like, if I want mga certain industry, ganyan.
I think for now, hindi pa siya pwedeng i-filter.
Pero, okay. So,
Pero siguro we can suggest that.
okay. Yeah. Pero, I mean, so newsfeed siya for all,
Yes, for all.
Still filling out loan applications for your business? Yeah, thought so. Save your time. Grow your business. With Credit Hero, one online application gets you loan offers from multiple lenders. Apply for a business loan now. Visit credithero.com.
Tapos, ang naalala ko kasi dito, I'm not sure if ganito pa rin nga now. Parang sila Sir Herbert kasi, ay nasa parang procurement sila procurement people when they were incorporate. So, ang intended use is for mga procurement officers ng mga companies. Ganun pa rin ba? And basically, parang who can use? Like, business owner, if I need supplies. Or maybe procurement office nga ng isang company. Ganun ba ang parang paggamit sa kanya now?
Si Burkett kasi talaga, ang focus niya lang talaga is to help businesses grow on all kinds of businesses. Pero hindi kami nagki-cater nung, wala siyang payments. And wala din siyang yung mga careers, ganyan.
Okay.
So more on connecting lang siya, yes. Pero siguro if the clients or yung businesses wants to, like gusto nila na merong mag-connect na dun sa careers or sa payment methods, we can do that. Pero it have fees.
I see. So freemium ba? Freemium.
Yes, si Burkett
Free-
ay freemium.
Free to connect and be seen.
Yeah, so hindi rin kami nag-charge ng commission. Kunyari makakonect kayo with other businesses, magka-deal kayo. Hindi kami nag-charge ng commission dito kay Burkett. So, free siya.
So, paano nga exactly yung business model? So, sige, go.
Ayan. So, yung business model, meron din kami kasing, di ba, the marketplace itself is completely free. Pero yung mga, may other services kami, which, kunyari, you want to maximize serviceability inside Burkett since we have, yun nga po,
boosting.
15,000.
Boosting ba yan? Parang boosting? Or...
You're familiar po with email blasting, mga ganon. Yung mga may lumalabas din na parang naka-advertise, di ba po? Yung nagpa-pump bigla sa ganon. Yung may mga ganon po kaming services. And those kinds of services is meron po siyang fees. As well as, kunyari, manufacturing kayo, logistics kayo. So, you want to organize your whole procurement processes. Yan. So, additional system. And then, yun, may ganun po kaming services. Like, yung vendor management system. Ganun po.
Interesting
Yeah.
So, free siya. Parang naalala ko sinare na ni Sir Herbert na philosophy Free siya kasi of course, you want people to access and you want people to benefit. But of course, if you want specialized, customized needs for na business to business, kunyari nga yung vendor, or parang even for the transactions, di ba? Those come with a fee. Tsaka, well, it makes sense naman kasi first, it makes it more convenient. And then second, may pera na so doon na yung business model.
Yes, opo. Doon na nagka-come up yung business model namin.
Interesting. So, siguro pa-update lang. Kamusta na ang growth ni Burkett now from... When did you join Burkett?
Actually, this year lang po. And intern ako before. Yes po. Tapos na-absorb lang ako.
Saan school ka? Sorry.
PUP po. I'm from
PUP Manila?
Yes,
Anong
PUP
course mo
Manila. Office Administration po.
Oh, gagaling talaga ng mga taga-PUP. Oh, wow. Tapos, naging Business Development Associate ka na?
Yes po. Kasi, nung internship po ako, ang intern ko talaga is Business Development. And then, ayun, na-absorb na po ako as Business Development Associate.
Wow.
So, bago-bago lang.
Pero yeah, I mean, that's still amazing, So, from, maybe from what you know, even before, so, kamusta ang naging growth ni Burkett? Maybe with the reach, with the onboarded businesses? Yan. Baka may ma-share ka mga numbers, milestones?
So far, kasi since I just joined in Burkett, and actually, halos ngayon ko lang din nalaman si Burkett. Kasi nga, before is hindi talaga, parang more on entertainment lang talaga yung, like TikTok, gano'n. So, hindi ako masyado with businesses.
Nag-scroll ka ng TikTok, ngayon nag-scroll ka na ng Burkett.
Yeah. So, Burkett ako nag-enjoy ng mga businesses. Which is cool, kasi ibig sabihin adulting.
Pero, parang idea, ang ganda idea nun TikTok for, somehow, diba, TikTok for businesses na scroll ka para mo. Binigyan mo ang idea, gawa tayo, gawa tayo. Hindi, I mean, with Burkett, start na podcast. Kasi, I mean, anyway.
Oh, we can collaborate po with each other.
Go, sige.
Ayun. So, ayun po. Yung nakita ko kasi kay Burkett, di ba, from before 2019 is super bago-bago pa. And ngayon, yung mga businesses po na nakakausap ko is may knowledge sila kay Burkett, which is actually nice. Kasi ilang years pa lang po yun, because 2000, like, ilang years po lang po yun. Di ba, 5 years. Kilala na po nila si Burkett. So, actually, last week, may tumawag kay Burkett na, hello. Sabi ko, saan niyo nakilala si Burkett? And then, nakita daw po nila. Tapos, naging interested sila kay Burkett.
So, saan nakita kaya? Or...
Sa social media daw po.
Okay.
Yeah, so, hanggang sa naging interested sila kay Burkett and they want to know more. So, I think, yung pinaka talaga is, talagang nakikilala siya with with 5 years pa lang, di ba po, parang nag-grow talaga. Alam mo talaga na nag-grow siya kasi nagkakaroon talaga,
Organic.
nag-expand yung knowledge organically.
Yeah. So, curious lang ako, yung tumawag or yung mga nag-i-inquire, what do they want? To be listed? Ganyan sa Burkett kaya? Or to have an account nga? To have a profile? To connect? Ganun. Anong?
Actually, they are interested with the services to maximize serviceability po. Ayan. So, talagang ni-research nila, ibig sabihin si Burkett. Kasi, alam na nila yung other services ni Burkett. So, yun po.
Parang, parang to give some examples lang, ano, yung mga supplier maybe na food, ganyan, di ba?
Yeah.
Or maybe supplier ng even, for example lang, tables and chairs. Anything, di ba? They can gain more visibility through this market.
Yes po. Actually, may mga ano din kami.
May ibang examples ka ba ng mga businesses na listed kay Burkett?
Meron din kaming mga ano, like yung mga logistics. Mga logistics din inside kay Burkett. Wherein, kunyari, gusto nilang maghanap ng suppliers for anything, pwede silang mag-post dun sa RFQ section namin.
Oo nga, tsaka, naalala ko yan, nabanggit natin sa episode ng Burkett. Medyo matagal na yun eh. Gusto ko nang mag-part 2 eh. Talagang mahaban talaga about the startup now. So, maybe next time I'll kung makahingi ako ng oras kay Sir Herbert. Anyway,
shout out kay boss.
In today's digital world, your organization needs more than just technology. It needs a strategic partner. At Symph, we build web and mobile apps that drive innovation for startups, enterprises, and organizations worldwide. Visit symph.co today.
Protect your assets from bugs before bad hackers exploit them, and launch your products seamlessly with Sukuna, your trusted partner in cybersecurity. Receive reports in real time and work with security experts to find bugs in your products before others do. Let's make your security our priority.
So, actually, for events, no? Kasi for events, ang dami niyang mga suppliers na kailangan eh. I mean, kunyari, dito sa Philippine Startup Week, manpower, event, tables and chairs nga, banners, mics, all, technicals, etc. So, maganda rin, kung punta ka lang Burkett, andun na lahat ng supplier na may kailangan mo. And yung RFQ nga, correct me if I'm wrong, request for quotation.
Yeah.
Ito yung mga needs mo, pwede magsabi yung mga businesses na ito yung offer namin, right? Can you explain more of the...
Ayan. So, yung request for quotation, example, you are looking for suppliers. Kunyari, naghahanap kayo ng supplier ng food. So, ngayon, kasi medyo mahirap maghanap online talaga. Like, kunyari, magpo-post ka sa, Facebook. Minsan, hindi mo alam kung legit ba sila talaga. Opo, like, hindi mo alam kung scam ba to or legit. Kasi ang dami na ngayon dump accounts po eh. Ngayon, kay Burkett kasi, alam mo talaga na legit talaga siya.
May verification?
Kasi po, bago kami, like, di ba madali lang mag-register kasi kay Burkett. Pero, further check po namin yun. Yung
like
mga
PIR
businesses.
ba, ganun, mga permits?
No po, pero chinecheck namin. Kasi meron kaming dashboard. So, chinecheck namin yung businesses na yun. And then, kinokontak namin. Kaya kami may customer success associate. Yes. Shout out to Miss Hansi.
Shout out. I see.
Yeah.
Interesting.
And then, ayun po, yung request for quotation, kunyari, naghahanap kayo, kunyari, sa chairs, ayan. So, magpo-post kayo doon, looking for suppliers sa chairs. Ayan. And then, maghihintay na lang kayo na may magsisend ng quotation. So, yung inside Burkett lang, makakapag-send po sila ng quotation sa inyo directly.
Pagka nag-post ako ng RFQ, paano malalaman ng mga, I'm looking for chairs?
Yeah.
Paano malalaman ng mga chair supplier?
Ayun po. So, lalabas siya sa parang newsfeed sa home. And then, kami po mismo is, isisend po namin yun. Kasi may database po kami.
Ano mga share supplier?
Mga share supplier, sir. So, isisend po namin, may new RFQ.
Ang ganda nun. Super ganda nun.
Yeah.
May cost ba to o free ba to?
Wala po. Hindi kami nag-charge ng commission.
Super ganda nito.
Yeah. And I think yun talaga yung best kasi nga wala kaming commission at all kapag
at saka ito pa, kaka-event lang ng Startup Podcast nandun kayo, di ba? Tapos Startup Meetups, we just had an event. Ang daming, so, if next time nga sa Burkett na maghahanap, post lang ako.
Yeah, opo.
I need a host. Ay, pwede ba yung host? May ganun, di ba?
Yes po. Hindi. Kay Burkett po kasi siya. Yung mga wholesales.
Okay. But anyway, food supplier.
Yeah, opo. Yes.
Pati yung kunyari, IDs.
Yes, pwede rin po.
Sige nga, next time nga.
Sige po, we can siguro get in touch in Viber.
Anyway, sige. Next, may gusto kong pag-usapan din dito.
Yeah.
You're not the founder, di ba? Pero,
yes po.
In startups kasi, even if you're not the founder, even if you're like an employee, even after 3 years, 4 years, you still feel that startup the startup journey, the startup vibe. So,
Mhm.
first question, bakit ka nga pala napunta sa Burkett? I mean,
Mhm.
internship na, pero paano mo nakita si Burkett? As a
Yeah.
startup, no? Kasi hindi
Yeah.
madali, hindi madali for startups to be visible. Eh.
Mhm.
Pangalawa, how was the journey
Yeah.
side knowing that, given that Burkett is a startup?
Mhm. Ayan. So, si Burkett po talaga, nung naghahanap ako sa ng internship is sa Job Street ako naghahanap.
Mm.
And then may friend ako, sabi niya, natanggap daw siya internship dito kay Burkett. And nung una, hindi ko kilala, syempre, I don't know, kasi wala talaga akong idea with businesses po.
Di, tsaka even, di ba, syempre, ang mga known names pa rin lalabas sa Job Street.
Mhm,
Kasi
yeah.
mga big companies.
Yeah.
Burkett, not naman, pero as a startup, for many startups di ba, parang syempre isipin pa ng iba, is this legitimate? Legitimate si Burkett pero
Yeah.
for startups, di ba, may ganung hesitation minsan yung mga applicants, right?
Yeah. So, yun po. And then, actually, marami po ako napasahan din ng mga applications na interview. Pero, nung finurder check ko kasi si Burkett, parang I am actually, parang interested ako sa kanya. Parang it is somehow interesting na paano nakukonect and paano nagiging yung Burkett talaga. Like, para kasi siyang si Shopee. Ganon. So, sabi ko, interesting to. So, I want to know more about this one. Since, yun nga po, niisip ko din na 4th year na ako. So, talagang gusto ko yung makakaturo sa akin to expand more knowledge about businesses. And I think Burkett is the great fit for it. For me po.
Business na nga, na ang mga customers ay mga business. So,
Yeah.
business talaga. Pero, your office admin, di ba? Ang office
Yes,
admin ba, para may business alignment ba yun?
Yes po,
okay.
opo. So more, kasi siya, under siya ng business administration.
Okay.
Pero focus lang siya sa office basis.
So, parang dun ba, or baka maybe in the future pa, of course naman, susuportahan ka pala naman ng Sir Herbert, no? Pero, like, do you want to be an entrepreneur, a startup founder, maybe?
So far, I am not thinking for it pa po
Okay.
ngayon. Siguro kasi bago-bago wala.
Tsaka sa Burkett ka pa eh. Hindi,
Oh,
joke. Pero, okay. Pero, wala, okay. Anyway, sige. Mga tayo, questions na, mga tinanong ko rin to kay Hensi last year.
yeah.
Mga mahirap na question to eh.
Ay.
Tatanungin ko rin sa'yo. Ito muna. Well, most challenging part
Mhm.
of building a startup supposedly, pero siguro most challenging part as the business development lead ng Burkett, ng startup, ng isang startup.
Actually, nung intern ako po, so, super bago talaga lahat sa akin since wala din po akong idea at all sa mga ganun. So, mahirap po is before is kapag kasi pag may nag-post ng RFU and then naghahanap po ako ng magbibigay ng quotations.
I mean, manual ba yun? Or
Minsan po kasi mas
search mo naman?
Yes, nasa-search ko po.
Pero, kailangan pa rin i-filter.
Yes, pina-further check pa rin po if legit ba talaga sila.
So, yun yung naging task mo. Interesting. Okay.
Yeah, before po na intern ako. And then, meron kasing iba, like siguro, mga traditional business kasi, yun, yung mga kadalasan. So, wala silang alam pa sa technological, gano'n. So, iniisip nila na baka may scam or something. Kasi nga parang, yung profile ko is hindi gano'n ka professional pa noon kasi intern pa naman talaga. So, yun. So, yun po yung naging, na, parang iniisip nila, scammer ka ba? Parang gano'n po. Pero so far, ayun, is inaano ko naman po na, no, you can actually check online na about Burkett and makikita naman na yun katulad na lang nun na na feature na kami sa business world and different media outlets. So sinasabi ko na lang, ina-explain ko na lang further who is Burkett. And so far yun, at the end of the day naman, na-understand nila who is Burkett and nalalaman na legit talaga si Burkett and can also help them to connect with other businesses, especially sa business nila. Yun sa mga micro, small, medium enterprises.
Ay, yun pa yung question actually. Ayun ang focus ni Burkett now. Micro, small, medium. Di masyado mga large muna.
Micro, small, medium enterprises. Pero focus talaga ni Burkett is yung mga businesses nga po. Inside the Philippines. So, local businesses.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sige, next question. Parang nabalita sa akin, pinanood mo daw yung kay Hensi eh. So, alam mo na itong mga questions ito eh.
Hindi ko nga po makita eh.
Ay, hindi mo nakita.
Hindi ko makita.
Ay, hindi kasi walang pangalan. Kasi parang ginawa ko dun, sorry, nung last Philippine Startup Week, street style, nag-ikot ako sa mga booths.
Opo.
So, yung kay Isa Burkett noon, ay nakahalo dun sa ibang mga So, hindi mo siya ma-search.
Hindi ko sabi ko, nasan ba yun?
Hirap siya hanapin. Anyway, sige. Anyway, next question. What is startup success for you? Or siguro, for Burkett, what's the measure of success for Burkett? Maybe if kay Sir Herbert, sa founder, ano yung parang guiding principle on like the vision maybe of Burkett?
I think kasi yung vision talaga ni Burkett is to help businesses grow, to help the micro, small, medium enterprises. I think yun talaga yung pinaka-vision. So I think kapag ka naka-help to connect with other businesses, like naka-help talaga to connect them to actually na maging bridge nung gap between the micro, small, medium enterprises. I think yun talaga yung success ni Burkett. Kasi nga, na-come up niya yung vision ni Burkett, which is to help them.
Education is evolving, and so are we. Introducing School Tech by Edfolio, your all-in-one school management solution. Built for schools of all sizes, School Tech bridges the gap between school and learning management. Driven by passion, School Tech makes educational technology accessible, affordable, and easy to use for schools everywhere. With an integrated approach, School Tech simplifies management across different departments and enhances efficiency in operations. School Tech transforms the way schools manage, teach, and learn. School Tech, taking school management solutions to the next level.
Running a business? Make it smarter with Red Circle Global. Streamline operations, boost productivity, and manage everything in one powerful ERP system. Book your free business demo today at redcircleglobal.com. Guided by one of our top experts.
Tsaka nabalita na sa akin, nung interview ko kay Sir Herbert dati, madami siya ma-share ng mga stories.
Ayan yung nakita ko nga po yun.
So, pero grabe no, parang mangyayari dyan, dahil si Burkett ay successful na, parang normal na everyday 10 or 100 yung mga natutulungan. So parang naging normal na lang yung parang as a startup parang pag startup ka, 'di ba, yung first na customer na natulungan mo, masaya ka parang achievement. Pero dadating yung time na magiging normal na lang yan, na parang everyday 100, normal na lang yan. Pero parang ganda makita na gano'n, no, na normal na lang din yung ganung impact na nabibigay.
Yeah.
Ito. Question pala. So you were an intern, no?
Yes
Then
po.
in-absorb ka ng Burkett.
Yeah.
So why? I mean, and ikaw, why then did you choose to be absorbed na? Kumbaga, you could have taken other paths. So, bakit ka nag-go pa kay Burkett?
Kasi nga po, I think interesting talaga siya, and naghahanap din talaga po ako as a fresh grad ng company that can actually help me grow more, especially in business field. And I think Burkett talaga is the one for me. Wow! The one for it po.
Yun yung next question. What keeps you motivated? Ayun na lang. What keeps you motivated? Or what motivates you? Para saan ka bumabangon? Wow, hindi, joke.
Wow.
Pero, I mean,
Grabe.
in a startup sense, like for builders, or even for you na working, yun yung kinaganda working for a startup, na parang part ka ng company talaga, feel na feel mo, part ka ng impact.
Yeah.
Tsaka, kumbaga, hindi, kasama ko kasi feeling ko sa mga large corporate companies, parang, ka lang cog of the, parang part ka na lang ng machinery. Dito parang ramdam mo talaga na nakakaano ka. So, but yeah, for you, what's your motivation really to further work pa for Burkett, to do this, to do your roles?
Actually po, kasi sila boss, super talaga nila, like super welcoming sa mga employees. And kapag may problem, nakaka-encounter ka ng problem, yan, mabilis lang silang i-reach out into it, and then nag-give sila ng advices. So I think yun talaga yung kasi nga meron talaga silang care with the employees itself. And yun siguro yung nagkaka-motivate pa. Kasi nga, hindi toxic yung environment. So far, sobrang healthy and all.
Kudos sa Burkett. Tsaka mentorship, no? Kumbaga,
Yes, opo.
swerte rin na kumbaga, may mentorship na ganun.
Gusto talaga nila to help you grow din as well.
Sige, pinaka-last question na, kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week? Kamusta? So, nakaboot kayo dun. Pero
Yes,
kamusta?
po.
What do you think sa overall Philippine Startup Week?
So far, first time ko lang pong dito, and super organized niya. As well as madami ring mga booths na pumupunta. Marami ring mga pumupunta dun sa booths. And so far, yung mga pumupunta is super sila. Like, talagang parang interested sila. So, I think it really can help us since nakaka-connect din kami with other people pa. So, yun po.
Ayun. And Philippine Startup Week nga, no? Ay, may plan na ba si Burkett mag-global? Kasi ang team ng Philippine Startup Week now is parang start local, go global. May plans ba or Filipino marketplace, Filipino business talaga muna? Si Burkett.
I think po kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-goal for now. But siguro,
Maybe, no?
ask ko muna sila.
Sige.
Hindi yun.
Sige, sa part 2 na lang siguro with
Yeah, part na lang.
May office ba ang Burkett?
Yes po. So, we are located in Mandaluyong.
Bisita nga ako. Doon tayo mag-podcast.
Yes.
Ayun. Anyway, sige, thank you so much.
Thank you so much
Pwede baka may
po.
listeners na interested kay Burkett. Baka may businesses out there na gusto magpa-list or to gain more visibility. How can they connect with you?
Ayun po. So, you can search Burkett.ph or you can message me na lang po. It's Jessie, Jessy, at Burkett.ph.
Ayun. Sige, ayun. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much po. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much to our 65 patrons. This episode is super powered by Asplex PH Academy, our official e-learning partner. Get certification on Lean Six Sigma, project management, data science, and more. Architect Space Solutions. Architect provide ground station services, space data analytics, and technology supplies to grow the Philippines' role in the global space ecosystem. Divico Technologies Incorporated. IT solutions specializing in software development, blockchain smart contracts, digital wallets, and cybersecurity. NutriCoach. Personalized nutrition and weight loss programs for you. Argum AI. Make smarter decisions by presenting both sides of an issue as argued by two distinct AI models. Pixel by Implement. Turn content into opportunity, grow deeper connections, and earn more. Only with Pixel. Sign up at pixel.implement.co. School of Profits. Filipino-led community for aspiring freelancers, VAs, agency builders, and online earners, built to help you start, grow, and earn online together. Founders Launchpad, our ecosystem partner, early-stage accelerator providing venture capital funding, operational support, and mentorship. Hire Business Solutions, provider of the most configurable cloud-based payroll system in the Philippines. Agile Data Solutions, the Philippines' fastest-growing market insights tech company with its data gathering platform, HustlePH. Smile Checks, streamline hiring and onboarding with automated background checks. Cloud CFO, cloud accounting service provider for businesses ready to grow. Cloverly, all-in-one digital platform for property developers. Body Beauties, accessible and personalized diabetes self-management application. HKB Digital Services, tech-based business tools including payroll, ticketing, and loyalty rewards. Hyperstocks, digital banking enabler for rural and thrift banks. Wonderbrand, data science-driven brand strategy and design for emerging markets. This episode is powered by Josie AI, Uplift Code Camp, Board Prep, Kansan Barley, East Point Business Outsourcing Services, Filipina Home-Based Moms, Hex Colony, Jur.ph, Big Giant Games, Pahatid PH, Sugbodok, Agacon Aquafeeds, Juan Alj, Grey Wolf Technologies Philippines, Pareto Consulting, Sirius MD. Support the podcast through the link in the description. Startup Bugs PH is co-produced by One CFO, Credit Hero, Y Spaces, Simp, Secuna, Schooltech by Edfolio, Maroon Studios, and Red Circle Global. Check out our partners in the description.